Hello everyone, Joe Smokin Joe Spit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to try to duplicate my favorite chicken from a local restaurant called Don Carbon. Don Carbon grills their chicken over mesquite charwood, and I'm going to try to duplicate this on my Yoder Flattop grill, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So I've got one chicken already prepared. I'm going to show you what I did to get to this point. I'm going to spatchcock the chicken, and that simply means to take the backbone off, get a good good pair of sharp kitchen shears. Just go right alongside that backbone, just like that. Let's start on the other side. Sometimes you get a thick bone. Again, just put a little bit of pressure on your shears, you'll break through it. Watch your fingers too. Just like that. Pretty simple. Now, as far as breaking the breastbone, take a good sharp knife right in the middle of this breastbone here. Just cut it just like that. Flip your chicken over and push down on the breast, just like that. That's already broken that breastbone. So at this point, I've got some lemon pepper rub. This is my own special blend, but I will tell you guys, if you're watching this video, you guys will be able to purchase this rub here pretty soon. Make sure you get enough rub on the inside. I think a lot of the flavor comes from the bottom side, especially since we're going to char this, or grill this, I'm sorry, on my Yoder Flattop grill. Now, I will be getting some char marks. I'm not trying to burn this chicken, but I am trying to get some nice mesquite char on this chicken. And that's what Don Carbon does. Their chicken has an amazing flavor, and it comes from that mesquite charwood that they used. And I even purchased a bag of their charcoal, and that's what I'm going to use on my Yoder Flattop. So put a lot of this rub on there, just like that. I'm actually going to finish this. There you go. Get the wings, my wife's favorite, just like that. Alright, I'm going to go fire up my Yoder Flattop, and I'll bring you guys with me, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back guys. So we are outside, and I've got a basket full of the mesquite charwood. I had my burner on for maybe 30 seconds, shut it off, and that wood ignited pretty quick. I did purchase that 10-pound bag from the restaurant called Don Carbon. Again, that's the same place that I'm trying to duplicate their chicken. That's the same mesquite charwood that they use in the restaurant, and they do sell that bag, and I believe a 40-pound bag to the public as well. So if you live in El Paso, you can stop by there and get it. The chunks are nice and big. It ignites really fast. So I'm gonna let this charwood get going. Then as soon as it's completely lit, I'm gonna go ahead and dump it inside my Yoder Flattop. So stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So I've got my charcoal basket all the way at the lowest point, and the charwood is just about ready. I want it completely ashed over and white, and it is just about there. So I will be sliding my grill grate over, and I'm going to go grab the chickens and put them on, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So the coals are ready. They're nice and white and ashed over. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken in there. Just like that. And it is really hot, guys. I can tell you that right now. The charwood does get hotter than charcoal, so it's a good thing that I have different levels, so I can lower that charcoal basket all the way down to the bottom. One quick pro tip, if you will. I have a bottle of water here, just plain water, just in case I get any flare-ups. I can quickly turn that flare-up down. I will not be covering this at all. The entire cook will be with the lid open, just as they do at Don Carbon. So I'll bring you guys back here in about 15 minutes when I flip them, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So it's been about 15 minutes. I just flipped the chicken, and so far so good. It's got some nice char pieces, you can see there. It smells amazing out here. The mesquite charwood and the lemon pepper seasoning that I put on the chicken just smells amazing. So I did say earlier that I was not going to close the top of my Yoder Flattop, but I think I will, just to ensure that I do get the chicken completely cooked on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the lid. I'll bring you guys back in about 10-15 minutes, so stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. So it's been about 30 minutes now, and I just flipped the chicken, and look at those nice char pieces on there. That's exactly what I wanted. So the internal temperature, let's give that a check right now. Let's check this thigh here. We're at 149 on the thigh and 110 on the breast. Let me double check that thigh again. About 145 on the thigh. Let me get into that chicken breast here. There we go. 127 on the breast. So at this point, I'm just going to close the lid, let it go for probably another 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and check the internal temperature, so stay tuned. Alright folks, welcome back. So I just flipped the chicken, and it's been about an hour now, and look at that amazing color that this chicken has. The internal temperature is 160 on the thighs and 155 on the breast. I'm thinking another 10-15 minutes, and this chicken will be ready. I do have the intake on the right side about a ½ inch open. The one on the left side I've got it completely shut. Then when I close the lid, I only open it up about a ¼ inch, just barely, and it's doing a fantastic job of just slow cooking this chicken. So again, about another 10-15 minutes, and we'll pull the chicken, let it rest, and I'll see you guys inside, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So the chicken is ready. It has been resting for about 20 minutes now, and I can tell it's still pretty hot, but look at this. Man, it smells amazing here, guys. That carbon just leaves an amazing aroma that's coming off of this chicken. So I'm just going to grab some of this chicken here. Look at how juicy that is. And probably grab one of these breasts here. Oh man, look at how juicy that is. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this chicken, guys. Look at this. I've got a bone there. Look at how nice and moist that chicken is. That's what happens when you let it rest. It even has a little bit of a smoke ring, and the skin is where all that flavor is at as well. Look at this. Oh man. Let's get some of this dark chicken here. This dark meat. Look at this. I can't wait. I don't know if you guys can see how juicy that is. But it's still nice and hot. Nice mesquite flavor. Nice lemon flavor as well. Actually, I'm just going to shred this. But look at those juices. Took it to 170, guys. And it's looking really, really good. So I'm going to shred some of this chicken. I'm going to make some tacos out of this. And I'll bring you guys back, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back. So I've warmed up my corn tortillas, and I actually bought these tortillas from Don Carbon, and they're famous for their square tortillas, as you can see here. So I'm just going to grab a corn tortilla, grab some of the chicken, get some of those charred pieces in there as well, some of that skin. Look at that. I'm going to make some tacos out of these bad boys. Get enough of that chicken again. Grab some of that charred skin into each taco. That's flavor, guys. Oh yeah. Square tortillas. I even went and got some of their salsas because they are the absolute best, and I've got some jalapenos as well, as you can see on this plate here. And I'm going to show you the way I like to prepare my tacos. They've got some onions as well that are pickled. So just a little bit of onions like this. These are not very strong, again, because they are pickled, but they've got a good lemony flavor to them. Just enough onions on each taco, just like that. And this is their red salsa that I absolutely love. Just put some of that on top of each one. And then I'm going to add some of their pico de gallo on top of each taco as well. Does that not look amazing? All right, I'm gonna back the camera up and we're gonna give this a taste. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. So my tacos are ready and I can't wait to dig into these tacos. Again, the flavor of the chicken that I tasted earlier was really, really good. Nice and juicy, nice lemony flavor. And I've made some tacos the way I like to make them when I go eat at Don Carbon. And this is it. So I'm just gonna grab one of these. Nice, hefty taco. Cheers. That was a big bite. Got to get some of this jalapeno action. Spicy, just the way I like them. Man, these are some tasty tacos. Got to wash it down. Oh yeah. Nothing better than tacos and nice cold beer. So as far as the flavor, is it close to Don Carbon? It is, it really is. I do think that they use a little bit more lemon pepper than I did, or some other kind of rub. So next time I think I'm gonna add more lemon pepper, maybe peel the skin back and put some lemon pepper in between the chicken and the chicken skin. I think that'll give it a little bit better flavor. Or maybe let it sit overnight with the lemon pepper on the chicken. But very happy with the way this tasted and the way it turned out. And again, that Yoder Flattop did an amazing job, and really happy with that. So hope you all like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you would, please. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Till next time, Joe is Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. See you guys.